Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Google Forms language. So if you want to use Google Forms in your own language, in this quick masterclass, I'll show you step by step on how you can change the language in Google Forms fast and easy. So first, you can go to your Google account by visiting this page, my.account.google.com, and then here you can click on the page personal info and find the language settings. Okay, so under the personal info you can see the general preferences for the web. You can click on the language options in here and you can just change or click on pencil icon in here to edit your preferred language. You can add the language here. So for example here the current language is English. You can just change into the new language that you prefer. For example here I'm going to change it into Indonesian. You can just click on the arrow up like this, and now you can once selected, it's applied across all Google services including Google Forms. So now you can just refresh your Google Forms. So here I'm going to just refresh it. As you guys can see, now it has been changed into Indonesia like this. You can always switch languages back at any time by repeating the same steps. Super easy. And that's how you can change the Google Form language easily. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on a thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.